guys to this channel. Today we'll be having stir-fried veggies. How is your day going and how are you feeling today? So we have smoked fish, carrots, green pepper, onions, tomato and pepper already washed and sliced. Some eggs. I want to eat boiled eggs, so some eggs, some spaghetti. I've broken down the spaghetti to the side length I want. Now we'll start cooking. I have some oil in my pan, just a little oil. I'm frying onions first, of course. And when it's fried, I will add my tomato and pepper in the mix and just stir it very well. So I'm going to be boiling my eggs so that it will be fast because I'm hungry. So I'll be boiling eggs to eat with this spag. I have smoked fish I washed earlier on just to add flavor. I like smoked fish. It has this nice smoky flavor. I'm adding my carrots, I'm adding my green pepper, and I'll be stir frying it a little. Not too much because I still want the veggies to be crunchy, to be fresh, so that it won't lose all its nutrients. So I added Maggi, seasoning cube, I added salt to taste. I added 2 seasoning cube there. You can add more when you're testing. So I'm going to stir fry this. I put the pasta in hot water to boil and I strained it and washed it. So it's waiting. Now I'm going to mix both of them together in the pot while the fire is still on. So there's frying going on. I'm literally frying the spag right now. This is well stirred. You have to stir it very well. Cover it for a while for it to simmer together. And here we have it, guys. I put the boiled eggs and just some pasta, which I'm going to be enjoying alone. You are invited. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like so we can do more.